Welcome back to the PowerPoint presentation introduction. This is the one for the Greater Dayton Dance Academy, and the instruction set was provided for you, and this begins at step 4. Step 4 reads, add a new slide 2 with 2 content layout. Okay, well that's what we'll do. We're going to go on the Home tab, and there's a new slide direction. And we're going to find the one that says 2 content and choose that one and left click. Next, it reads add about us as the title. And then type the following as a bulleted list in the left content placeholder. Okay, one bulleted list coming up. And that is step 4. We have created our bulleted list in the left content placeholder. Item 5 reads, on slide 2, in the right content placeholder, insert the photo called Leap. So I'm going to be on the right content placeholder. I found the pictures icon, left click it, and I'm looking for, in the download folder, the item called Leap. And insert. And there are 5 leaping ladies. Okay, we're going to resize it, maintaining the aspect ratio so that it is 3.8 inches high. Well, let's check that out. I'm going to click on the Size Group dialog box launcher. I'm going to remove the design ideas. And I'm making sure that the aspect ratio has been locked. Do not assume that this is locked. You should check it. And so we're going to change the height to 3.8 inches. Not a lot. Just 2 clicks on the height and it's done. And then reposition it so that the top edge of the photo is aligned with the top edge of the text box in the left. Okay. There are a couple of ways you can do this. Make sure that your cursor shape has the shape of a compass with the primary directions in arrows. And you can move it around up and down until the top guide matches the top guide on the left. And the left edge of the photo is aligned with the right edge of the text box. So I'm right at the center. Item 6 reads, add a new slide 3 with a title and content layout. Add styles offered as the title. Okay. In order to add a new slide 3, you should be at slide 2. And choose in the slides group the new slide command, and then search for the appropriate. We're looking for title and content. That happens to be the second one in, title and content. Left click here. And we're going to change the title to say Styles Offered. S-T-Y-L-E-S. Offered. And then type the following bulleted list in the content placeholder above. Here we go. More typing. Item 7 reads, on slide 3, convert the bulleted list to a smart art diagram with the bending picture semi-transparent text layout, which is a picture type of diagram. Okay, so in order to pull that off, you're going to select all of the items in the bulleted list. And then you're going to right-click right in the middle of that list. All right, don't miss. It's got to be inside the list. right click, and you choose Convert to Smart Art in the sublist. What I encourage people to do is to go to the bottom of the list where it says More Smart Art Graphics and choose that with a left click. Now you can see all of the possibilities before you. All right, so the instruction said that this is a picture type of diagram, so the best thing you could do is in the categories on the left, choose Pictures. And the one we are looking for in particular is called the Bending Picture Semi-Transparent Text. This is a bit of a hunt, but that's how it works. Bending Pictures. Okay. How about this one? Nope. Bending Pictures. There it is. Bending Pictures Semi-Transparent Text. Left click and then choose OK. We're going to take a break now for just a minute. Please join me in the next video.